If you would be prosperous, wealthy, and rich, you must take special note of a set of people around you. This set, when it comes to spending other people's money, using other people's resources, they are not careful. They just use it as will. They spend, they cause you to spend, and your resources drift away. But they're careful about keeping theirs. You must avoid such people. They don't care about you. Why should you have them around? Be wise and prosper today. Please subscribe.